Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the tropical cyclone. So before we start, can you guys please subscribe? I can give you guys a few seconds to do that. Okay, I think you guys are done now, and I trust that you guys have all subscribed. We will start by explaining what is a tropical cyclone. So it is a low pressure system that occurs due to high temperature over the warm ocean. And a tropical cyclone have the characteristics, which may be the alternative names, which means it's other names for a tropical cyclone, and they differ according to the regions where they occur. On some regions they call it a hurricane, on others it's called typhoon, on others it's called willy willies. So it's maybe different according to the region, and they are named alphabetically at the end of each season, which means at the start of every year, if the tropical cyclone occur, then it will be named with a name that starts with A, because it's the first one of the season. Not the season as summer, winter, no, but the year is a season for the cyclones. So it's formed around 5 degrees north and south, which means it's near the equator, but not exactly on the equator, because there is no Coriolis force on the equator. It occurs over the tropical oceans 5 degrees to 30 degrees north and south. That is where it starts to be visible. So about the movement, it moves from the east to west because it is pushed or driven by the easterlies. That's the name of the wind that comes from the east to the west. It occurs on a mid to late summer because at the early summer, the ocean are not that warm, so it only occur on warm ocean. So because the ocean will be is big and it can't be warmed over a small period of time, so it needs more time to warm. That's why the tropical cyclone would occur at the mid to the late summer. That's where the ocean are warmer, and on early autumn the oceans will be still warmer. And identifying features, this is how we can identify it. So it has the stormy weather in the vortex. The eye is calm, intense low pressure area. When we are talking about the weather, so it's warm to hot and violent winds, intense thunderstorms activity, and areas affected are the eastern side of the continent in tropical latitude. It means near the equator, from 5 to 30 degrees. That's the tropical latitudes. Okay, now we are going to look at the synoptic view of tropical cyclone. My picture was not that clearer, but you can see that there are isobars around the system. So the arrows indicate the airflow. So the wind flow toward the center of the system, the tropical cyclone. And as you can notice here, I don't know if you guys can see, but the pressure is decreasing toward the center of the system, and at the center of the system there is an eye. It's a very calm area that is called an eye. Okay, so Now we will look at the cross section of a tropical cyclone. On a tropical cyclone, we will find the cumulonimbus clouds, the cumulus clouds, and the eye. The pressure is low at the center, as I've just said. There are thunderstorms, and the air is subsiding at the center, but it's rising on the sides. So subsiding air means that here it's clear. There are no clouds. It's as calm as if nothing is happening, but something is happening on the sides. So going forward, we will look at the factors that makes the tropical cyclone to occur. So there should be a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius or more over the ocean. There should be Coriolis force. That's why the tropical cyclone cannot form on the equator, because there is no Coriolis force. There must be enough moisture and less function. So we will stop there for today. The next video will be about the mid-latitude cyclone, so make sure that you subscribe so that you can get that video.